Okay guys, we got a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta. We're gonna make a duplicate key. So we're gonna go to vehicle database, Volkswagen Jetta after 2005 right here. Okay, we're gonna decode the key. So I'll let that decode. I'm gonna get out a blade and then we're gonna cut it. Okay guys, so we decoded it. Let's see if that looks like our key. Looks exactly like our key. So we're gonna put our blade in here. Slide our blade in. So we'll quick cut this. I'll cut both sides and we'll put it in a remote and then we'll try to make a remote for this. Okay guys, so I got a super chip inside this remote. So I want to clone this one, cut the key. I want to do it before I try it in the car because I did find out recently, because a customer did it, that if you put a key in the ignition 5 times, you can put the car in the lockout mode and it keeps adding time to it. So let's see, clone, read. Oh, I might have to be on the internet for this. Okay, let's be on the. Okay, so let's try this again. Start clone, checking key. Oh, so we gotta put this up to the coil and collect data. There we go. See, look at that. Successfully collected 2 groups. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, now it's going to ask us to put the key back in here. Checking key. Upload. Don't have to wait for it to calculate. Calculating results. Oh, I guess we gotta wait 3 minutes. That's a long time. Okay, so we'll wait for this and then we'll come back. Guys, that only took about 45 seconds to go through. Let's see if this works. Loading to chip. So hopefully when this is done, there we go, completed. Stick this in the car. Look at that. Started right up. No anti-theft light. Let's try it again. Stick it in the other way. Works really nice. So now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to actually I might not even need this one. I'm gonna put this in the car. We're gonna manually ID this car. And also we're gonna go into our programmer right here. Gonna get a vehicle remote, Volkswagen. I'm gonna try to do this quick. Volkswagen. Close this. Let's go to Jetta. This is an 06. So I'm going to try this 753N, see if this works. Another thing that we can do too is we can actually see if we can auto detect this car. If we can auto detect this, it'll probably save us some time here. Okay. Because what we can do is we can emulate this. Let's do Jetta. Just do Europe Jetta. I don't know what the difference was here. Oh, it's Mexico. Let's try this one. Both Mexico. Okay, I guess we'll do 99 to 15. I don't know what the other one is. Control units. Remote system. We should be able to emulate this by pressing emulate right here. So emulate it, then we can see if we can add this remote to the car. And if we can, then we can write it to the remote. So let's just get in the remote system. Okay. Remote control add. Oh wait, I think we gotta do learning. Let's try it. No, we didn't have any flashers flash. So that's not our remote. We'll try it again, actually. Let's try remote control learning. Yeah, there was no flashers up here. Okay, so let's go back. Let's see what other ones we got here. Try this one. I don't think this one's gonna work. Sometimes these are really weird. I could also look up real quick on a locksmith site, see what remotes are available for this. Or we can actually look at the back of the other one. Let me look at the back of the other one. So right here is our HLO1K0959. Let's go look at this one. Let's see. Let's see. K095973 H. So we need an H. Guess we could try G. That's the same one we tried. We try this one, I guess. Let's try turning this ignition on again. Nope, that's not working. I'm gonna go down through these, see which one actually works on here. Okay guys, so I got one to work here. Let's see if it works. Okay, see how this works when I press the key tool, Max? Let's see if we shut the key off. Might not work with the key in the ignition. Let's see. See how that just locked? I mean unlocked. You can hear the door unlock. Close the door. So if it close, oh, I cleared the remote, but it's this AM one. So I'm gonna quick write that to our key. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in here, we're gonna generate remote. Gonna generate this AM remote. There we go, completed. Let's see. Oh, right there it says 06 Bora. Okay, so now, let's see, let's add a battery to this. There we go, batteries in there. So, let's turn our key on real quick. There we go, let's press remote control learning. Okay, let's press this. Look at that, just saw it work. There we go, we should be done. I'm going to put this remote back together, let this finish. Press OK. Actually, now if we turn our ignition off, let's press this. There we go. Look at that. So I'm going to put the remote back together and then we'll try it one more time. There you guys go. See that? You can hear it. Let's try starting this real quick. Look at that. So I hope you guys like that. See you later.